What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you a major snowstorm that's going to hit the U.S. for September. So right now we have a snowstorm that's going to be coming from the north, and it's going to be hitting Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, Idaho. It's going to hit Texas and Kansas, but it's mostly going to be rain. New Mexico, you will, some parts of New Mexico you will see snow, but it's going to be mostly for the three states, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, and parts of Idaho. Like Helena, in Billings, Montana, and Cheyenne, Wyoming, you might see 5 inches. But here's where the most of the snow is going to be. It's going to be over here. So the most of the snow is going to be through here. So if you live in Cheyenne, Fort Collins, this is where all the heavier snow is going to be. So it's going to be for the Rocky Mountains in Colorado, the mountains in Wyoming, Cheyenne, Fort Collins. And if just remember, if you do not live in the mountains, you're going to get so like if you live in Fort Collins, Cheyenne, those areas, you will see less snow, but that's where that's the places where they're going to see the most snow, because it's supposed to build right in Wyoming, and then it's going to hit those places with the most snow. And here I would say in the mountains around 8 to 15 inches, and then out east towards out a little easter, so Longmont, Fort Collins, Boulder, Cheyenne, those areas, you will see around 3 to 8 inches. But if the storm does do lots of strengthening, it will what it has been doing for the last 2-3 days, it's just going to be getting stronger, and if we do see this, I bet maybe even a foot for Longmont and Fort Collins and Cheyenne, Boulder, and the mountains might even see some places 3 feet, and then but that's where I'm thinking the most snow is going to be. But here are the places that will, I bet, see snow in this storm. It's going to be right in this line here. So if you live anywhere in this line, so Helena, Montana, you'll see snow. Mostly if you're out, past here, you'll just see rain, right through here. You'll just see rain, and just mostly rain, only if the storm does do strengthening, like I said, or, but that's what you're supposed to really get. But, so, Idaho Falls, Grand Junction, Lake City, Colorado, Castle Rock, out east in Colorado, west, really, just basically Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado. But if you're Trinidad, Colorado, if you're the southern mountains in Colorado, southwest mountains in Colorado, or you're not going to see any of the storm. But this is where most of the storm is going to be. So yeah, that's where all of the storm is. So that's about it for this. It's a big, I wouldn't say major, but it's a pretty big snowstorm for September. I'll see you guys next time.